Yeah, Sounds of the Coast. But yeah, baby, shout out Hype Magazine, Jukes, Sky Vodka, we lit.
Yeah, by the headphone.
Sound would be so real. Shout out. Yeah.
No.
Spend 2 racks one night, I'm hood rich, counting from the mattress, but I keep it in the bank. Dripping check, need to flip my wrist, need to flip my neck. Do you see mom swing? Don't talk too much, just talk my shit. When I talk my shit, I spit big facts. Count my money and I count it up quick. When I count my cash, I count big racks. Graduated 2 times, did it for my mama, but I still wanna pop on MTV. 2017, me and saw me in the whip in the coast with some beats in the burn CD. 2017, I DJs in the club, but I posted in the club where you won't see me. Had a lot to say till I came to your show. Like Paul George, how you turn to win PG? Why you dumb me out when I was down for the count? So I took your bitch with me and we went another round. Different from the niggas that I grew with when I was on campus. Niggas that was robbing out your lounge. Just dropped 2 cases, niggas went back to the hood. Niggas said that they turn their life around. Had to flip the story, plus I had to flip a pack, cause I know niggas still tryna flip it by the pound. Spent 2 racks one night, I'm hood rich, counting from the mattress, but I keep it in the bank. Dripping check, need to flap my wrist, need to flap my neck. Do you see mom swing? Don't talk too much, just talk my shit. When I talk my shit, I spit big facts. Count my money and I count it up quick. When I count my cash, I count big racks. Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Firstbornsun, rapper from the Eastern Cape, East London. Name of my song is Facts Interlude. How the song came about, Eco told me he's working on an EP for the Sounds of the Coast. Said I'm down for it. Definitely, I'm very humbled to be in this tape and to be in part of this project as a producer and as a performing artist. The track number is track number 5. The tape is called Sounds of the Coast. You can find me on Worldwide Local. That's the name of my handle on Twitter and Instagram, Facebook. I am Firstbornsun. The song is produced by Firstbornsun and Soundwave Be So Real. Shout out. Don't talk too much, just talk my shit. When I talk my shit, I speak big facts. Count my money and I count it up quick. When I count my cash, I count big racks. Graduated 2 times, did it for my mama, but I still wanna pop on MTV. 2017, me and saw me in the whip in the coast with some beats in the burn CD. 2017, I DJs in the club, but I posted in the club where you won't see me. Had a lot to say till I came to your show. You like Paul George, how you turn to win PG? Why you cut me out when I was down for the count? So I took your bitch with me and we went another round.